Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a photo link in OneDrive, so you can easily share your favorite images with friends, family, or coworkers quickly and securely. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to grab that shareable link and have full confidence using OneDrive to send your photos anywhere you need. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your OneDrive account. Go ahead and open your web browser and head over to the OneDrive website. Now, if you're not already logged in, you'll see a spot to enter your Microsoft email and password. Type those in and hit Sign In. It's important to use the account that actually stores the photo you want to share, so if you've got more than one Microsoft account, just double-check at this step to make sure you're in the right spot. This ensures you'll see all your own files and everything will be exactly where you expect. Once you're logged in, let your eyes drift up to the very top left corner of your screen. You'll notice there are several options listed there like Files, Photos, Recent, and so on. For today, we're interested in Photos. Go ahead and click on Photos. This is where OneDrive nicely arranges all your images, like flipping open a digital photo album. It saves you from scrolling through all your folders to hunt down a picture manually. Now, take a moment to look for the specific photo you'd like to share. When you find it, hover your mouse over the image and click just once to select it. You'll often see a gentle checkmark appear on the corner just to let you know it's highlighted. This step is important because if you don't actually select the photo, OneDrive won't know which image you want to get a link for. Selecting the right image ensures you're sharing exactly the photo you want, and not say that awkward holiday shot from 3 years ago. Alright, with your photo selected, look up above the set of images for the Share button. It might look like an arrow or simply the word Share, just give that a click. The Share menu will pop up, offering several choices. This is OneDrive's way of letting you control who gets to see what, so you always have privacy and control. Take a breath, it's normal for these menus to have a few options. We're going to keep things simple. Right under those sharing choices, you'll spot an option that says Copy Link. This is the golden button that gives you a quick, shareable web address to your chosen photo. Click Copy Link and OneDrive will quickly generate a direct link. Sometimes, this may take a few seconds if it's the first time you're sharing that image, so don't worry if it spins for a moment. Once it's ready, the link will be copied automatically to your clipboard. That means it's sitting there, just waiting for you to paste it wherever you need, maybe in an email, a text message, or even a group chat. Just hit Ctrl+V or right-click and choose Paste wherever you want to send your photo. And that's it, you've got a shareable photo link created in just a couple of clicks. If any part of this process feels tricky, don't worry. It gets much faster with practice, and OneDrive is designed to keep things straightforward. Now you're ready to share memories, project images, or even important documents with total ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more easy tech walkthroughs. If you have questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks so much for watching and happy sharing.